Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a crispy and flavorful chicken tandoori roll with a soft layer crust and a spicy minced chicken filling. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix everything well. Ajwain adds a warm traditional aroma to outer layer. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Knead until you get a smooth and firm dough. Keep the dough firm and smooth so it rolls easily. Rub a little ghee over the dough. Cover it and keep it aside to rest. Now let's prepare the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili. Cook for a minute until the onion becomes soft and fragrant. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder. Sprinkle half teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix the spices well. Now add half cup minced chicken. Minced chicken makes a filling that spreads easily inside stuffed snacks. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is fully cooked and the mixture becomes nicely dry. Finish with some fresh coriander leaves. Mix once more and keep the filling aside to cool. Now take a portion of the dough. Roll it into a thin round sheet. Spread a little ghee and corn flour over the surface. Spread the ghee and corn flour mixture evenly for better flaky layers. Fold it as shown to create layers. Now roll it gently again. Layering the dough gives the roll a flaky texture when fried. Now spread the prepared chicken mixture. Fold it carefully as shown. Seal the edges firmly with a fork. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully place the rolls into the hot oil. Fry until they become golden brown and beautifully crispy on all sides. Your homemade chicken tandoori roll is ready. Crispy outside, flaky through the layers and filled with spicy minced chicken. This is a perfect snack for any time of the day. Serve it fresh and enjoy every flavorful bite with your family. Share this recipe with someone who loves crispy chicken snacks. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy homemade recipes and delicious chicken dishes.